Welcome, I am Anton Garabas, your guide in the world of Goju-Ryu Karate. Today we begin your journey into this ancient and powerful martial art. Goju-Ryu is steeped in tradition. Respect is paramount both inside and outside the dojo. Before we begin, we bow to the dojo, acknowledging the sacred space where we learn and grow. We bow to our teachers, past and present, honoring their wisdom, and we bow to each other, recognizing the shared journey we are about to embark upon. This bow is not just a gesture, it is a symbol of humility and respect. It is a reminder to leave our egos at the door and approach our training with an open mind and a dedicated heart. Remember, every step you take in the dojo, every technique you learn, is a step closer to self-mastery. Let us begin. Before we learn to strike or block, we must first learn to breathe. Our breath is our anchor. It connects our mind, body, and spirit. It centers us. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your diaphragm expand, filling your lungs with air. Hold the breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your body relax. This is the foundation of our practice. Inhale calmness, exhale tension. Repeat this breathing cycle several times, focusing on the rhythm, feeling the energy flow within. With each breath, you become more present, more aware. This awareness is crucial as we move into learning stances, the foundation of our movements. Remember, karate is not just about strength, it is about balance, control, and focus, and it all begins with your breath. In Goju-Ryu, our stances are more than just positions. They are the roots of our power, the source of our stability. Today we will learn two fundamental stances, Sanchin Dachi and Zenkutsu Dachi. Sanchin Dachi, the hourglass stance, is about unwavering strength. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly inward. Sink your weight low, as if you are carrying a heavy load on your back. Imagine your body as a triangle, strong and unyielding. Zenkutsu Dachi, the front stance, is about forward momentum. Step forward with your left foot, bending your front knee and keeping your back leg straight. Your front foot points forward, your back foot at a 45-degree angle. Feel the tension between the two stances, the potential energy coiled within. These stances are the foundation of your karate practice. Master them, and you will be able to move with power and precision. We have learned the importance of breath. Now we will learn Ibuki, a powerful breathing technique integral to Goju-Ryu. Ibuki is not just about inhaling and exhaling, it is about harnessing your inner strength. Stand in Sanchin Dachi, your body grounded and strong. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. As you exhale sharply through your mouth, contract your abdominal muscles, pulling them in towards your spine. Imagine you are expelling all the air from your body, forcing it out with a powerful ha sound. This sharp exhalation strengthens your core and focuses your energy. Ibuki is not just a breathing exercise, it is a training tool. It develops your core strength, enhances your power, and conditions your body for impact. Practice it diligently, and you will unlock the hidden potential within. Section 5. Shielding yourself. The Gedan Barai block. In karate, we learn to defend before we learn to attack. The Gedan Barai, a downward block, is your shield, your first line of defense. Begin in Zenkutsu Dachi, your left foot forward. Raise your right hand to your temple as if you are shielding your head. Your left hand remains at your hip, forming a fist. With a powerful downward motion, sweep your right arm down and across your body, stopping just above your left knee. As you execute the block, imagine you are deflecting an attack, redirecting the force away from your body. Your block should be strong and decisive, your arm moving like a whip. The Gedan Barai is not just a physical block, it is a statement of intent. It shows your opponent that you are not afraid, that you are ready to defend yourself. Section 6. Striking with intent. The Seiken Zuki punch. The Seiken Zuki, the straight punch, is the foundation of your striking techniques. It is a direct and powerful strike that utilizes your entire body. Begin in Zenkutsu Dachi, left foot forward. Your right fist rests at your hip, your left hand guarding your face. As you step forward with your right foot, extend your right arm, delivering a straight punch with your front two knuckles. Your punch should be swift and powerful, your hips and shoulders rotating to generate force. As you punch, exhale sharply with an Ikken Hisatsu mindset, the spirit of one strike, certain kill. Remember, the Seiken Zuki is not about brute force, it is about precision, timing, and focus. It is about delivering maximum power with minimal effort. Section 7. Gekisai Dai Ichi, a first form. Now we will combine these basic techniques into a flowing sequence known as a kata. Kata are pre-arranged forms that teach us practical self-defense applications and develop our coordination, balance, and timing. The first kata you will learn is Gekisai Dai Ichi, a dynamic form that emphasizes powerful blocks and strikes. We will break down the kata into small sections, focusing on each movement with precision. Remember, the goal is not to memorize the movements, but to understand the principles behind them. Each block, each punch, each step has a purpose. As you practice, visualize yourself defending against an attacker, applying the techniques with focus and determination. Section 8. The Path of Practice. Consistency is key. Congratulations on completing your first Goju-Ryu Karate class. You have taken the first step on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Remember, the path of karate is not about overnight mastery. It is about consistent effort, discipline, and a willingness to learn. Practice these basic techniques daily. Focus on your breathing, refine your stances, and perfect the execution of your blocks and strikes. Attend every class with an open mind and a dedicated heart. The journey may be challenging at times, but the rewards are immeasurable. Karate is not just about self-defense, it is about self-improvement. It is about building confidence, discipline, and resilience. Section 9. Continuing the journey, a lifetime of learning. As you progress in your training, remember the lessons learned today. Respect your teachers, your fellow students, and the art itself. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. The journey of Goju-Ryu is a lifelong pursuit. There will always be more to learn, more to refine, more to master. But with each step you take, you will grow stronger, wiser, and more capable. Now let us end as we began, with a bow of respect. Thank you for your dedication and welcome to the Goju-Ryu family.